Hey, it's Casey. I'm here today to show you guys how we're painting the PVC coming out from the roof. All the vent pipes we like to keep color matched with the roof so it's not sticking out and isn't aesthetic for neighbors, homeowners, whatever the case is. Normally, we would be painting all of the exhaust vents prior to throwing on the roof. For this one, that wasn't a possibility as this was added on later. Normally what you're going to take is any all-in-one exterior paint and primer will work on the PVC. When doing an old roof, it doesn't matter where the spray goes, but obviously on a new construction job where we already have the pipe boot on, we want to use either a cutoff of a shingle or something to protect anything else from getting sprayed. While it still matches the color black, it'll be obvious that there's spray marks on the roof. You want to start by going around the pipe boot and hitting the bottom. Really protecting that shingle line. After we get the base sprayed, we can be a little more crazy with it and get everything covered. We're going to want to do at least 1 or 2 coats, especially with high humidity in paint, as it may run. Any issues with humidity will help bubble up the paint. More coats will just protect it even better.